I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. Just want to do a quick review of the steering wheel that I just installed. This is a custom leather wrapped steering wheel. It's two-tone, the red leather at the top and bottom, the black on the sides, with the Corvette embroidered on both sides of the steering wheel. It also has red stitching through the middle of it. I think that this is a nice look, just to give a little more character to the interior as opposed to the solid black steering wheel. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.